Hi, Paddy here from XFLEET in Colne. Here is our BMW i3. It's a Loft Auto 5-door range extender. It's a 2-owner from new car. It's in Loris Grey with upgraded 19-inch BMW Turbine style spoke alloys. The vehicle's done 26,000 miles and it's in showroom condition. It'll be supplied with full service history, and you'll also receive 12 months RAC Platinum warranty and breakdown. We offer a full range of finance products, including personal contract purchase, hire purchase, lease purchase or cash sale. In a moment we'll take a closer look. So here it is. Let's take a closer look. The car is in absolutely immaculate condition. Front park sensors there, upgraded alloys, privacy glass. There's not one mark on this car. The previous owners loved it. It's got rear sensors as well there. Tyre tread is immaculate. For a vehicle that's done 26,000 miles, it's in superb condition. Again, every alloy spotless. Not a stone chip on the front. Let's take a look inside. It is a 4-door, and the back door opens very easily, like so. Just hop on in. Masses of space there in the back for your passengers. People think it's a small car, there's no space, but actually masses of space. It's a huge cabin. Great boot space as well. Seats are in immaculate condition, as you would expect. Great sport seats. And the dash there. When it comes to charging your range extender, your cable is kept in here. Simply plug this in here and then straight into the mains. The vehicle is keyless entry, so you step in with the keys, press the start button, and you're ready to go. I love this secret compartment here. If you're a tall gentleman and wondering whether to buy the BMW i3 or not, here is your answer. Yes. Great little cubby hole here for your phone. When you're inside the BMW i3, you're not short of cup holders. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's have a look inside at some of the specification. We have a reversing camera and sensors. We have heated seats, climate control. Have DAB radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, got an aux cable port and USB port and cruise control. One of the cool options on this car is the electric folding wing mirrors. I hope you liked the video. I hope it gave you a better insight into the BMW i3. If you're interested in a quotation or you'd like to speak to us, our number is 01282 857 777, or you can visit us online. Our web address is www.xfleetcars.co.uk. Thank you.